Okay, here we're going to try something new. This is a powder coated sample. We really haven't tried to release any coating like this before. So what I'm going to do is use a piece of high tip Teflon sheeting just in case, so it won't, powder coating won't stick to the bottom of our mini pad. And we just want to see if we can get it released, so here we go.
What's usually powder coated?
Oh, everything. Whoops, okay. That didn't take long. Yes, it does release it.
Right, yeah.
So, but very simple. That's our HP with a mini pad, and as you saw, within 5 seconds it took the powder coating off. And I believe, let's check something here. They actually removed it from the backside at the same time.
Excellent.